Hey everybody, this is Doug with Artfully Rogue. I'm going to talk to you about my top 3 tools that you need to have if you want to get into welding. Okay, so here's the thing. If you're going to start welding, I assume you already know that you need a welder. So I'm not even going to talk to you about what types of welder you need to get because there are so many. I can tell you what I started with. It was a MIG flux core from Lincoln. It was a present, and that's what kind of got me started doing my welding. Go pick up a Harbor Freight flux core. They're cheap, they're gonna get you on the road to welding, and as you improve, you can change welders, you can upgrade, and then you can kind of go all kinds of crazy. But those aren't the 3 top must-have tools that I'm gonna include in this video. Okay, so outside of the welder, I would say my angle grinder is number 1. This thing is so handy. And it's not just about the angle grinder. The angle grinder is the tool. It's the attachments that you add to the angle grinder that make this tool number 1. An angle grinder with a cutoff wheel allows you to cut the metal. You're going to have to cut the metal at some point. And using cutoff wheels, that is the cheapest and easiest way to get started. And I've been doing this now for close to 20 years, and it's still the method that I use to cut metal. Whenever it's something small, I go for the angle grinder. And after you cut the metal, you want to deburr the edges, grind it up a little bit. That's when a flap wheel comes in handy. That will help clean up the edges for you. And there are also so many other different types of discs that you can add to the grinder. Something that will take away a lot more of the weld or a lot more of the metal is something that's a bit thicker. It's a heavy-duty grinding wheel. They even make diamond grinding wheels. They make ones with little holes in them, so as it's spinning around real fast, you can kind of see your work that you're grinding away. So the grinder is the number 1 tool that I use in my shop. Okay, tool number 2, the drill. Yeah, I know you can use it for woodworking as well, but the drill, you have to drill holes in metal at some point. And again, it's all about the attachments for the drill. So in addition to drill bits, you've got wire wheels. This helps to take off any of the slag that's left behind on a weld. You've also got flap wheels that you can also use in a drill, and even buffing pads. So the drill is number 2. It is right there next to the angle grinder, and it is something that I often use on a daily basis when I'm doing metal work. I would say number 3, definitely clamps. You need a variety of clamps because when you weld steel, it gets hot and it wants to move on you. So you're going to find that you're going to need a variety of types of clamps to hold your work together. And depending on type of space you're working in, you may need, vice grip type clamps, or a C-clamp, or maybe like a sliding bar type clamp. Clamps that help you make 45s. You may even get to a point where you make custom clamps, when you got holes in the table and you can drop your clamp into the table and swivel these around. When you're getting into welding, there are so many different things to think about. These 3 tools are really the basics of what you need to have in your shop just to get started. So your angle grinder, your drill, and some clamps, that is going to get you just started. It's going to open up a huge plethora of different tools that you can add to your collection as you start to broaden your skills. Be careful going down that rabbit hole. Once you go down that rabbit hole, it goes deep. You can go from friction saws to cold cut saws to band saws to plasma to CNC, and from grinders to standers to buffers, quarter drills, battery operated drills, bench top drill presses, mag drills, and the welders. Oh my gosh, MIG welders with gas or not gas or TIG, or you could go stick. Just do your research. But have fun, enjoy it, don't get overwhelmed. Get your welder, get a grinder, get a drill, get some clamps, have fun. Okay, that was it, short and to the point. My top 3 must-have tools if you're gonna get started in welding: the angle grinder, drill, and clamps. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any suggestions, leave those down below. If you haven't already subscribed, please do that now. And thanks to my top Patreon supporters: Judy Clothier, Barry and Marlene Rush, and Funkiss Artistic Creations. We'll see you in the next video. Hey everybody, this is Doug with Artfully Rogue. and corded drills and battery operated drills and drill presses and tabletop drill presses and shrimp scampi and shrimp gumbo and shrimp sandwiches and shrimp cocktail and raw shrimp. Bubblegum.